In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy data from published view-only Google Sheets. When someone shares a Google Sheet as view-only, it means you can look at the information, but you cannot edit it directly. That is common for templates, trackers, schedules, and shared reports. The easiest and most reliable way to work with that data is to create your own copy, so you can edit freely without changing the original file. Start by opening the published Google Sheet in your browser. Once the spreadsheet loads, look near the top area of the screen for the view status. You should see an indicator that says View Only. Click on View Only. In some layouts, you may see this label more than once, or it may appear as a small drop-down or a banner message. Click on View Only again if it appears a second time, so you are fully confirmed in the correct viewing mode and you can see what permissions you have for the file. Now that you are in the spreadsheet, go to the top left corner and click on the File menu. This menu holds the options for saving, downloading, and making copies. Since the document is view-only, you will not be able to type into cells or change formatting in this version. Instead, you will create your own editable version. Inside the File menu, find and click Make a Copy. This option creates a duplicate of the spreadsheet in your own Google Drive. When you select it, a dialog window will open to confirm the copy. Click Make a Copy again in that dialog to finalize it. After a moment, Google Sheets will generate a new file that you own and it will open automatically. At this point, you can click into any cell and begin editing, adding new rows, changing formulas, or adjusting formatting as needed. A helpful tip is to rename your copied file right away so you can find it quickly later, especially if you plan to make multiple copies of different templates. Also remember that any changes you make will only affect your copy, not the original shared sheet. That covers everything you need to know.